In this video, we solve the logarithmic equation log of 5x square with base 8 equal to log of 4x with base 2. Observe that base are different, so we cannot simply say that 5x square equal to 4x. We cannot compare it, but we know the property of logarithm that we can change the base. If we got the number m with base b, that can be written as number m with base a to be multiplied with number a with base b. Of course, a and b has to be greater than 0. Let's apply that property. We wrote left hand side as it is, log of 5x square with base 8. Right hand side we want to change the base. In the right hand side we want to change the base, so we choose b equal to 2 and then a equal to 8. Once again, a is equal to 8 log of the number that is 4x with the base 8. It is something like we cancel the log out and the number 8 out, and so we can change the base. Now log of 8 with base 2 is log of 2 cube with base 2, log of 2 cube with base 2. Rest of the expression we can copy as it is. Log of 5x square with base 8 equal to log of 8 with base 2, that is log of 2 cube with base 2, and the log of 4x with base 8. Now 2 cube is 8. We can take power out of the logarithm to obtain 3 times log of 2 with base 2, and the rest of the expression we can copy as it is. Now log of 2 with base 2 is just 1, so we get the expression log of 5x square with the base 8 equal to 3 times log of 4x with the base 8. Now once again, power can be taken out of the logarithm, and so we can write it as log of 4x to the power 3. We can say that power can be taken out of the logarithm, or we can do the reverse as well. And of course, with base 8 equal to log of 5x square with base 8. Now if bases are same, then the numbers must be equal. So we can say that 5x square equal to 5x square equal to 4x whole thing cube. Now x cannot be equal to 0, otherwise we won't be able to solve the equation at all. Log of 0 is not defined, so x cannot be equal to 0. If x is not equal to 0, then we can cancel x square out to say that 5 equal to 64x. And lastly, x equal to 5 by 64.